Thank you very much. Doc, Dr. Wong Rigger, and I realize you cover a whole bunch of rare diseases. I'm going to focus on just one and ask you just your comments, in particular on cystic fibrosis, and in particular the medication Trikafta. And I'm just wondering, just to hear your comments with the issues with the PMPRB, how do you see that impacting our CF patients?
Certainly, cystic fibrosis has been front and center in terms of trying to get access to Trikafta, which in fact has been actually considered the A+ therapy for patients with cystic fibrosis. But unfortunately, because of the PMPRB, the company has been very clear, we cannot bring it into Canada at this time. The impact in terms of our pricing would be such that it would not only not be would not be affordable for us, but it could damage us further. And I think this has created a huge problem. They're not the only patient or organization, not the only disease that's impacted in that way, but definitely they've been able to raise that to a public awareness. And of course, having the young woman who died in Nova Scotia, again, we have no clear evidence that she would have been saved by Trikafta, but she was definitely the patient profile that would have benefited from it. The other thing that happens, of course, is that we didn't get the clinical trials in Canada. And again, early on, there was the recognition that this was not going to be a country where we're going to bring this in early. And unfortunately, because of the way the system's set up, if you got the patient on the clinical trial, you can't just drop them. And I think companies are not willing to risk the fact that they may have to either keep a patient forever or for many, many years. And this is reverberating through many of our rare diseases, including, cystic fibrosis.
Thank you very much.